We've got a bit of a rare one here. They don't come around often. Very sought after. 2023, July registered, 23, Land Rover Discovery. Commercial, this is the R Dynamic D300 HSE, 3 litre diesel. Delivery mileage only. It's finished in the lovely colour called Lantau Bronze Metallic. R Dynamic, so you get full gloss black contrasting bumpers, vents, grille, black badging, you've got the Matrix LED headlights, 22-inch style 514 grey and diamond cut alloy wheels. They look fantastic. It's probably one of the nicest commercial vehicles you can buy. And what a stunning colour. Black contrasting roof. Again, all gloss black to your rear bumper. So I'll show you in the rear first. Got power tailgate. Air suspension. Ideal for running through your business. Many tax and VAT benefits for business users to run one of these. It's as new. Take you inside. So mileage, only 90 miles on the speedo there. Lots of spec inside, so we've got the 20-way heated cooling seats, black perforated leather, white piping, leather steering wheel, the cruise control, lane keeping assist, Meridian sound system, surround sound, ebony black headliner, a little bit dark on the video in here, but it's got the black headliner. Few options as extra on top of the R Dynamic spec on this one. It's got the wireless phone charging and phone signal booster in there, and the solar attenuating windscreen, which are optional extras as well. Blind spot monitoring on the wing mirrors, gloss black wing mirror covers. VAT qualifying. Looks fantastic. Never seen one in this colour before. Definitely suits the car. So this one's gone live on our website. Sure, this one won't hang around long. Lots of wait times from Land Rover. I think it's over 12 months to get one of these now. So this one's in stock, ready to go. Please give us a call, 0777 111 2040, and visit www.martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. 20 photos, the full spec and descriptions on the advert. You've got your remainder of your manufacturer's warranty till 2026. 2 keys, all the books. Thank you for watching.